Hello, my name is Joey Elliott. Today I will be talking about how to tune the guitar and the chromatic scale, which is essential for understanding music theory, so you can get to know each of the notes on every fret of the guitar strings, and according to the 6 strings that the guitar has, which are E, A, D, G, B, and E. To start, I will be talking about a comprehensive tuning program. Besides YouTube, you can search for various websites on the internet that talk about guitar tuning. Later on, I will be taking a detailed screenshot and sending it through the Telegram app so that everyone can have that important information at hand. I highly and strongly recommend this program. You need to use the completely free option so that you don't have to pay for it. When the paid application option appears, which requires you to enter your credit card details, just simply click the X at the top right corner to skip that option. Here we will start with the very first string, which would be like this. If it appears in green color, it means it is perfectly and correctly tuned. If it shows -1, -2, or -3, you need to carefully tighten it until it reaches green. Similarly, if it shows more than that, you need to gently loosen it. The next string would be B, the next one G, the next one D, the next one A, which is the 5th string, and the last one again E, but this E is high-pitched, E, B, G, D, A, E. Also, in today's class I will be providing more detailed theoretical information. For example, the very first open string is E, and the first fret of the first string, because this is divided into frets. Fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, from approximately 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, where the 2 dots appear on the guitar, that would be my F, which would be the sharp if we look at the chromatic order. E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A sharp B, B, since it doesn't have a sharp, it would automatically fall to C, C sharp D, D sharp E, and again F. The chromatic scale is a sequence of 12 notes, each a half step apart. We go back again to E, B, B, since it doesn't have a sharp. It would be the first string open E, B, C sharp D, D sharp E, F sharp G, G sharp, and so on the chromatic scale C, D, E, F, G. So then we go to E, B, G, open G sharp, the third string G, G sharp A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and so on, until you reach where you want to go on the guitar neck. E, B, G retuned, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, D, C sharp, D, and then it would be E, B, G, D, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, C, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, then it would be E, again as if it were the first string. Now to check the tuning, we can do the first string open, which would be E, then the second string we press the 5th fret. They have to sound the same. Similarly, it would be the second string open, and we press the 4th fret. They have to sound the same. If not, it's not fully tuned. Then it would be the third string open, we press the 4th string on the 5th fret, and in the same way, we do the same. Tuning a guitar is crucial for ensuring that the notes sound harmonious and accurate. Each string must be precisely tuned to the correct pitch. The first string, which is the thinnest, is tuned to E. The second string, slightly thicker, is tuned to B. When tuning, you press the 5th fret of the second string and compare it to the open first string. They should sound identical. If they don't, adjustments are needed. The third string is tuned to G. you press the 4th fret of the 3rd string and compare it to the open 2nd string. Again, they should sound the same. The 4th string is tuned to D. You press the 5th fret of the 4th string and compare it to the open 3rd string. The 5th string is tuned to A. You press the 5th fret of the 5th string and compare it to the open 4th string. Finally, the 6th string, the thickest, is tuned to E. You press the 5th fret of the 6th string and compare it to the open 5th string. Proper tuning ensures that the guitar produces the correct notes and sounds pleasant when played. It's essential to check the tuning regularly, especially before playing or performing, to maintain the instrument's sound quality.